What's up, YouTube? It's round 2 for our thunderstorms. Yep. Hopefully we don't lose power. Look how dark the sky is. Hear that? That is thunder. We're also under a tornado warning until 8 o'clock tonight as well. But look how freaking dark it is out here. It's thunderstorming over an hour ago and then stopped. And now it's back up again. Like I said, round 2. And here comes the rain. Yay! And our lights just flickered, so here we go. Motherfucker's coming down. It is coming down, boy. Yeah. Gotta love thunderstorms. Listen to that shit. I hate thunderstorms, and so do my dogs. Yeah, we might lose power again. And look, I even have our bird feeders up. I've even had birds up there already. It's been up there for a little over a week. Well, that's really coming down now. These are coming down. See if I can't get any lightning and stuff for you. As it's coming down, I'm going in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, smash subscribe, and remember, do what makes you happy. I'm signing out.